Welcome to the frozen wonderland of the Arctic, where each day unfolds as a magnificent chapter in the lives of its extraordinary inhabitants. Join us on this enchanting journey as we delve into the daily routines of the majestic polar bear, the cunning Arctic fox, the wise snowy owl, the graceful reindeer, the elusive snow leopard, and the adorable penguin. From icy landscapes to heartwarming moments, witness the tales of survival, camaraderie, and resilience that define life in the Arctic. And as the day draws to a close, let's extend our warmest wishes to these incredible creatures. Good night, polar bear. Good night, Arctic fox. Good night, snowy owl. Good night, reindeer. Good night, snow leopard. Good night, penguin. May the starlit Arctic night bring them peace and tranquility. On this chilly Arctic day, the majestic snow leopard gracefully navigated the snow-covered cliffs and rocky terrain, its spotted coat blending seamlessly with the frosty surroundings. With keen eyes, it surveyed the landscape, perhaps spotting prey or assessing the vast snowy expanse. As the evening descended and the northern lights painted the sky with ethereal hues, the snow leopard found a sheltered ledge to rest. Curling up in its snowy sanctuary, it prepared to embark on a serene slumber under the shimmering stars. Good night, noble snow leopard. May your dreams be as tranquil as the snow-kissed landscapes you roam. On this chilly day in the Arctic, the polar bear gracefully navigated the frozen landscape. With powerful strides, it traversed icy expanses and playfully slid across frosty patches. The polar bear's thick, white fur glistened in the cold sunlight, providing both warmth and camouflage. As the Arctic night descended, the polar bear sought out a comfortable ice ledge near the water's edge. With a contented sigh, it settled down, its massive form silhouetted against the shimmering moonlit ice. Under the dance of the northern lights, the polar bear entered a peaceful slumber, dreaming of snowy vistas and icy adventures. Good night, majestic polar bear. May your dreams be as vast and beautiful as the Arctic expanse you call home. On this frosty day in the Arctic fox ventured through the snow-covered tundra, its fur providing perfect camouflage against the wintry backdrop. Playfully darting between ice-covered rocks and frolicking in the freshly fallen snow, the Arctic fox showcased its agility and resilience. As the sun dipped below the icy horizon, casting hues of pink and orange across the Arctic sky, the Arctic fox found a cozy burrow to curl up in. Nestled in its warm den, the fox embraced the chilly night, ready to dream of snowy escapades under the shimmering northern lights. Good night, clever Arctic fox. May your nocturnal adventures be as lively as the day you've had. Amid the pristine Arctic landscape, the snowy owl gracefully soared through the crisp, cold air. Its wings, a magnificent expanse of snowy feathers, caught the glimmering light of the setting sun. With keen eyes, the snowy owl scanned the tundra below for any signs of movement. As nightfall draped the Arctic in its tranquil embrace, the snowy owl descended to a secluded perch. With a regal poise, it observed the surrounding terrain, its feathers blending seamlessly with the snow-covered branches. Under the vast starlit sky, the snowy owl closed its eyes, embracing the serenity of the Arctic night. Good night, noble snowy owl. May your dreams carry you through the silent beauty of the polar night. In the soft glow of the Arctic twilight, the reindeer gracefully traversed the snowy landscape, its antlers adorned with glistening frost. With each step, the reindeer left delicate imprints on the pristine snow, blending seamlessly with the ethereal beauty of the winter night. As the northern lights painted vibrant hues across the sky, the reindeer found a cozy spot among the frost-kissed trees. There, under the celestial dance, it nestled down for a peaceful rest. With a gentle rustle of leaves, the reindeer closed its eyes, surrounded by the magic of the Arctic. Good night, noble reindeer. May your dreams be as enchanting as the starlit sky above. In the brisk Antarctic breeze, the penguin waddled across the ice, its black and white feathers standing out against the pristine snow. With a playful slide, it joined its fellow penguins in a lively gathering. Together, they engaged in a synchronized dance, their flippers creating a symphony of joy on the icy stage. As the sun dipped below the horizon, casting a soft pink glow over the frozen landscape, the penguin nestled in a colony, finding warmth in the embrace of its companions. With a contented sigh, the penguin closed its eyes, dreaming of underwater adventures and the camaraderie of the Antarctic night. Good night, spirited penguin. May your dreams be as vibrant as the hues of the southern lights. As the Arctic sun sets and the snowy landscape transforms into a canvas of stars, we bid farewell to our Arctic friends. May their dreams be as vast as the polar expanse, filled with adventures and moments of bliss. Good night, dear creatures of the Arctic, and may the stillness of the night cradle you in its icy embrace until a new day dawns. Sweet dreams.